Hello, automotive aficionados. Today, we're delving into the luxurious realm of the 2025 Cadillac Calais, a flagship SUV that seamlessly combines opulence, advanced technology, and commanding performance. Join me as we explore its standout features, from the striking exterior to the powerhouse under the hood. Exterior features. Body panels. The 2025 Calais boasts a refined exterior design with subtle yet impactful updates. Its sculpted body panels exude a sense of elegance and strength, while the aerodynamic lines enhance both aesthetics and fuel efficiency. The attention to detail in the panel alignment and finish reflects Cadillac's commitment to craftsmanship. Headlights. At the front, the Calais features sleek, vertically oriented LED headlights that provide exceptional illumination and a distinctive visual signature. These advanced headlights not only enhance nighttime visibility but also contribute to the vehicle's commanding presence on the road. Taillights. The rear is adorned with signature LED taillights that mirror the vertical design language of the front, creating a harmonious and recognizable look. These taillights ensure high visibility to other drivers while adding to the Calais' sophisticated rear profile. Grille. Dominating the front fascia is Cadillac's iconic grille, featuring a bold and intricate pattern that signifies luxury and authority. The grille's design not only makes a strong visual statement but also allows for optimal airflow to the engine, contributing to performance efficiency. Interior comfort and convenience. Seats. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that epitomizes luxury. The Calais offers spacious seating for up to 7 passengers, with each seat upholstered in premium materials that provide both comfort and elegance. Front seats come standard with heating and ventilation, ensuring comfort in all climates. The second-row seats are also heated, allowing passengers to enjoy a cozy ride during colder months. Dashboard. The centerpiece of the interior is the expansive 55-inch curved OLED display that spans the dashboard. This high-resolution screen provides vibrant visuals for the instrument cluster, infotainment system, and navigation, all seamlessly integrated to enhance the driving experience. The intuitive interface allows for easy customization and access to essential vehicle functions. Infotainment system. Cadillac's infotainment system offers seamless connectivity with standard features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The system also includes a premium audio setup, delivering an immersive sound experience for all occupants. With integrated navigation and voice recognition, accessing directions and controlling media is both convenient and hands-free. Steering wheel. The leather-wrapped steering wheel is designed with both comfort and functionality in mind. It features integrated controls for audio, phone, and cruise control, allowing drivers to manage essential functions without taking their hands off the wheel. The heated steering wheel ensures warmth during chilly drives, adding to the overall comfort. Powertrain components. Engine. Under the hood, the 2025 Calais is powered by a robust 6.2-liter V8 engine that delivers an impressive 420 horsepower. This powerhouse ensures brisk acceleration and confident towing capabilities, making it suitable for both city driving and long-distance journeys. The engine is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth and responsive gear shifts. Hybrid option. For those seeking enhanced performance, the Calais offers a high-performance variant known as the Calais V. This model is equipped with a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 engine that produces a staggering 682 horsepower, delivering exhilarating acceleration and top-tier performance. The Calais V is designed for enthusiasts who desire a blend of luxury and high-octane driving dynamics. Safety and driver assistance. Airbags. Safety is paramount in the Escalade, which comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of airbags strategically placed to protect all occupants in the event of a collision. This includes front, side, and curtain airbags, ensuring a high level of protection from multiple impact angles. Parking assist. Navigating tight parking spaces is made effortless with the Escalade's advanced parking assist system. Utilizing a network of sensors and cameras, the system provides real-time feedback and guidance, allowing drivers to park with confidence and precision. The surround view camera offers a 360-degree view around the vehicle, enhancing situational awareness during parking maneuvers. Pricing. The 2025 Cadillac Escalade offers a range of trims to suit various preferences, with the base luxury model starting at approximately $116,799. For those seeking the pinnacle of performance and luxury, the Escalade V is available at a starting price of around $207,099. These prices reflect the Escalade's commitment to providing exceptional value through a combination of premium features, advanced technology, and unparalleled comfort. In conclusion, the 2025 Cadillac Escalade stands as a testament to Cadillac's dedication to luxury, performance, and innovation. Whether you're drawn to its commanding presence, lavish interior, or powerful engine options, the Escalade offers an experience that is both exhilarating and refined. Thank you for joining us on this comprehensive tour of the 2025 Escalade. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and automotive insights.